Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different talks about the Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, in part 3 of CICD pipeline for .NET 8 MVC application using GitHub Actions and Azure VM, we shall explain the next step in this series. First of all, I would like to explain something. If you need any help about the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, please contact on this WhatsApp number, or you can also message me on the channel as well. All videos on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. This one, as you can see. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start further in the series of CICD pipeline for .NET 8 MVC app using the GitHub Actions and Azure VM part 3. Today we shall, after configuring the system service and configuration file, now today we shall configure the OpenSSH server on the hosting server. So in order to install the OpenSSH server, first of all we shall update the packages so that we get the latest changes on the hosting server. So apply the command sudo apt update. After applying this command, the next one is we shall install the OpenSSH server. This server is mandatory so that we can access the hosting server and we update the code at the triggering of the every release. So sudo apt install OpenSSH server. When we apply this command will install the OpenSSH server on the hosting server. Now the next one is now we shall enable the SSH server. After installing, now in this command enable and start SSH server, we shall sudo systemctl enable SSH. This will enable the server on the hosting server. So the next one is, in this command we shall start the SSH server. Sudo systemctl start SSH. When we start SSH, we come to know that our SSH server is running. In order to make sure that our SSH server is running, we shall apply the command sudo systemctl status SSH. When we apply this command, we come to know that our server is running. So after the confirmation, it means that SSH server is running on the hosting server. Now in the next step we shall make some configuration in the file sshhd_config. When we open this command by applying the command cat or nano, you can select any command to open this file. Open the file configuration file at this path etc sshd_config. When you open this file, you will uncomment the line port 22. Moreover, you will also uncomment this public authentication equal to yes. After doing this configuration in the configuration file, you will first of all do Ctrl+O. After that, press the enter, and at the third one you will press the Ctrl+X so that your changes in the configuration file save successfully. Now in the next step, after doing this, we shall restart the server, SSH server. We are starting the SSH server because we have made some changes in the configuration file, so it's mandatory to start the SSH server. Now after this, we shall, in the step 8, we shall create the SSH key so that we can place it in our GitHub Actions and moreover on the hosting server as well. Now this is the in step 8, we shall create the SSH keys. By applying this command ssh key -keygen -trsa-b4096 type for the configuration. When we apply this command, after this command we shall press 2 times enter button, so that these two files will created at the specified path, as we shall see on the next screen. After applying this command, we come to know that two files are created. cd-ssh, when you do this after applying the command ls, you will come to know that we have two files, id_rsa, this is the private file, and id_rsa dot public, this is the public file. We shall use both these files in our CICD. So when you apply the command pwd, this will give you the current folder. Now after this, we shall apply the command ls, and now we shall add in the step 10, it is a mandatory step for the successful working of the CICD, that we shall add the public file that we have created in the previous step to the authorized key. In order to add public key in the authorized key, we shall apply the command cat, the path of the public file, after that insert operator, the path of the authorized underscore key. You will not create the authorized underscore key. When you apply this command, authorized key will create automatically. So up to this part 3 of this series, we have created the SSH keys. In the next step, in the next part 4, we shall apply these keys in the GitHub actions and complete our CICD in the next part 4. Wish you good luck for your career. See you in the next part.